Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. I was super surprised that I already got this box. This is my Fabfitfun spring box. Normally we get this one in March, but I think that if you purchase add-ons, they will actually ship it to you sooner. So I already got mine. We're still in February and I already have it. So I'm super excited to see what we have in here. I did get to customize my box, but I do have, I think for one of the items, I chose a mystery item. I pretty much put for them to choose for me because I couldn't choose what I wanted. So I'm excited to see what we have in here. For those of you that don't know about this box, this is a seasonal box. That's why I was super surprised and happy that that I got it already. And it is $49.99 per quarter. Each box is obviously customized towards the season that it's arriving for. So this is our spring box. We get a lot of different things: makeup, lifestyle, exercise, kitchen, everything. We get so many different things in this box, and that is one of the reasons why I really like it. We get a magazine every month giving you like editor information, product information, you know, a lot of fun things that you get in here. Then you get like a bunch of different coupons. I'm just going to put those to the side, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in because I'm super excited. We always get really good things here. I don't remember ever being disappointed by one of these boxes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with, this one here. So these are silicone straws. It is a 4-pack. And let's take them out. I was actually just about to buy some of these. I did get to buy the bigger ones for like the boba drinks on Amazon. And I was really tempted to actually buy some of these, some of the regular ones. So these are the ones that we got. We got some pretty like fun colors, and they do come with a little brush here so you can clean them, because they do get really tough to clean if you drink anything else other than water. You do want to get in there and clean it all out. What did I see in here? I don't know what this is. Oh, so this is a carrying case. Because they are silicone, you can bend them. You can bend them, and you put it in here and you can take it with you. That's what this is for. So this is pretty cool. I have tried the metal ones, and those are actually the ones that I also bought for the boba drinks. I've never tried the silicone ones, so I'm super excited. You can see they're like wiggly. So I'm really liking these. Okay, so then up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. This is from Murad. It is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. So that is the box there. And let's see. Okay, it is just like a clear white moisturizer. Oh no, the lid is cracked. That's why it was falling off, but it's okay. I mean, it's just the lid. The bottle itself looks to be intact, so nothing is coming out. So I'm actually really excited to try this one because, sad to say, I am really close to 30 now. So I really have to start taking care of my skin. Before, I wouldn't use too many like skincare products. And now I'm trying to get into it a little bit more, because I know I will not get my youthful skin back. So I am trying to take care of it. So I am looking forward to using a lot of skincare, and I do have a lot of options. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. This is from Glow, and it is a wrinkle treatment. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I remember I customized this one. I was very intrigued when I saw this one here as part of one of the as part of one of the customizing options for my box. So this is supposed to help with wrinkles. And like I just mentioned, I am getting old or older. And this one here, it's supposed to be a light that's supposed to help with wrinkles. So there is a red light that helps with deep wrinkles. There's an amber light that helps with dull and lifeless complexions, and it includes the batteries. And so, I mean, this is awesome. I'm really excited to try it so I can see if it really works. I am a type of person that whenever I talk, I do a lot of facial expressions. And as you guys can see, I talk with my hands a lot. So that's one of the things that my boyfriend always makes fun of me, because this is how I talk at all times. So it's not just for here, but this is how I talk all the time. So because of all of my expressions, I'm already getting wrinkles here and my forehead mainly. That's why I have noticed them the most. So that is the reason why I got this one. So I'm really excited. I will use it, and at some point, I will give you guys an update to see if I saw any difference in my skin at all. So I'm super excited for that one. Up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. It is from Pure Lee's. It is the watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. This is it here. I am currently actually using their gel moisturizer, I think it's called. And I really like it because it is made specially for oily skin. So it really does help me throughout the day to control that. So now looks like it's from the same line because it's also the watermelon one that I have that I'm using. And this is a peel. So again, this all seems like they know that I'm getting close to the 30s, because all of these seem like really cool items to try out to help my skin. So that is the second, or sorry, no, I'm already at like 4. Yeah, so that is the 4th item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. Looks like it's hiding, and this is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. So what does this do exactly? Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish skin while sleep. So pretty much it's supposed to, it's like aromatherapy kind of thing, because it says that it has essential oils of lavender, vetiver, I don't know what that is, and chamomile. So it's supposed to, with the scent, it's not only supposed to help moisturize the skin, but it's supposed to help you sleep, because you can smell it as you sleep, and it's supposed to improve the quality of your sleep. Ooh, that smells nice. You do get a lot of that lavender, which to me will knock me out on the spot. So I'm super excited to try this one out. Lavender, I just love the scent of lavender. And when I use it to try and go to sleep, it just puts me right to sleep. Up next, I'm going to go, oh, it is heavy. So this is another one that I remember customizing myself. This is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. This is what it looks like, and it's a beanbag. So let me take this out. So I have always wanted to get a sleeping mask, but I never do. I don't know why. But this one here, it has like a beanbag here, so it's actually pretty heavy. I dropped the bag, so I don't know how heavy this is exactly. But it's the way that this is supposed to work is you're supposed to put it on, and it's supposed to help put pressure in specific areas to help you fall asleep faster, and so it can be easier to fall asleep. So I'm excited to try this one out, especially because I don't like, when I'm asleep, I like for my whole bedroom to be completely dark, and when it isn't, I can't sleep. So this is going to come in really handy on those days that I cannot avoid the sun. So that is another item there. And then up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is from, this is my mystery choice. So for one of the items that I could not decide what I wanted, I had the option to get a mystery item. And I think the only thing that the description that it had was that it was said to be at least worth of at least, I think, like $23 or $25, some 20 something amount. And this is what they gave me. I have a Milk product, and it is the holographic highlighting powder. So this is what I got as my mystery item, my mystery choice. It is milk, and then this is what it looks like. And let me get a quick swatch. It doesn't look, oh, that's pretty. So it's not, this one is again more of a like a metallic kind of shift kind of highlighter, not so much a wet looking highlighter, but it's a really pretty color. I hope you guys can see it because it's very close to my skin tone. But it does give you that bronzy kind of color. This one I think would also look really, really nice here on the collarbone, like during the summer when you wear like either a thin strap or like a strapless or, you know, anything like that. I think it will look really, really good here on this area. So I think I am down to my last item, and it is this one here. It is from Aveda. It is a Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I like to take care of my hair as much as I can, and these items always come in really, really handy, because I do use, you know, a blow dryer, I use hairspray, I use, a straightening iron, a wand, I use anything that can pretty much damage my hair. So, this one just says, shake well, work a small amount of product into hands and apply to damp hair and comb to distribute. So this is supposed to pretty much just protect your hair. That is the very last item from the box. Now, really quick, let me give you guys the retail prices and show you guys what other options were when it comes to customizing your box. So, Cindy's just never prepared. She knows I need. Okay, so the very first item, it is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Device. This one is $68. Then we have our Murad product here, the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This one is $78. Wow, I didn't expect it to be that expensive. Then we have, when we move on to the next page, then we have, where can I find anything? Three. Where are my threes? Three. Oh, this one. 3B, Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. This one is $39.99. Then we have the Aveda. This one here, it is $31. Then we have the, I'll show you guys right now what I'm seeing, because it's kind of hard to see what you're getting, because they're kind of like all over the place. Oh, I think my 5, I chose my mystery one. I don't have a price for that one. And then 6, where's my 6? Oh, duh. We have the, we have, this is my 6. We have the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This one is $40. Then we have my number 7. We have the Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws. These are $15. And then our very last thing, we have the Pure Lee's Watermelon 2-minute Polishing Peel. This one is $35. So Cindy, $306.99. So let me show you guys really quick. These are the pages, and this is what I was seeing. As you guys can see, some of the items that I chose are here, and these are also the other items that I could have chosen as part of my box. And we get all of the product information. So you see the pictures here, and then we get the product information here along with all of the prices. So those were just some of the items that I could have chosen. You guys saw what I got in my box. I actually really, really like it. Let me know what you guys got in your box and what you think of mine down in the comments below. Those are all the products from my box. So that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon, and I hope I will see you guys all back here next time. Bye.